Is your SIM card not showing the network on your OnePlus phone? Well, no worries. Here I'm gonna show you how to fix this SIM card not showing network issue on your phone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, try these basic things. Turn on and off airplane mode. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor bugs. After that, try following the guidelines. Solution 1. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Before doing that, turn off your phone. Now remove the SIM tray using an ejector from the bottom of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray. Now clean the gold contacts of the SIM card with a soft dry cloth or eraser. Then wait for a few seconds. Now put the SIM card into the tray. Then put the SIM tray into the phone. Now turn on your phone. If it does not work, then change the SIM card and try another. Solution 2. Enable SIM card. First, open up the settings, then tap on Mobile Network. After that, tap on Disabled SIM here. Now just toggle it on. Now your issue will be solved. If not, follow my next solution. Check your software update. Go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on About Device. Now tap on your OS operating system. Update your software version if any update is available. Solution 4. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open up the settings again, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on the Backup and Reset. Next, tap on Reset Phone. Then tap on the Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings option. Next, tap Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings again. Wait for a while, and your network reset is completed. Hope your issue is solved. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. And hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching!